Hey, welcome to Roads to Forever. I'm Terry, and today I am back in the kitchen for some stomach ulcer recipes. You guys have told me in the comments of my other videos that you've really enjoyed the recipes I've shared and that you would like to see more of them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious soup for treating your stomach ulcer. And so if you are excited to check out this stomach ulcer soup recipe, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to share it with a friend who you think might find this information valuable. And so if you haven't seen any of my other videos where I've talked about how I treated my stomach ulcer naturally with no medicines, don't worry, I've made sure to link them below in the description box, and I also have them in this little information button right up there in the YouTube cards. So make sure that you check out those videos once this one is over. All right, let's jump right in and take a look at how I make this delicious stomach ulcer soup recipe. So to a deep pot, I added 1 tablespoon of olive oil, some chopped up carrots, bell pepper, onions, and some garlic, as well as cut up some ginger. And now I am just mixing that up, and I'm just going to let it saute. So while the onions and the peppers and carrots are sauteing, as you can see, I am just rinsing off some cabbage that I'm going to put right in that same pot. So as you can see, I have added my cabbage to the pot, and all I'm doing is just mixing it with the seasonings that are already in the pot, and I'm just going to let this cook down and steam for a little bit until the cabbage gets soft, and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. So as you'll see in a bowl, I have some shredded chicken that I cooked the day before. So I'm going to use that for sure in my recipe. You don't have to use this if you're vegan or vegetarian, of course, but I'm going to use this because it's going to give it some added flavor and it's good for your gut health. So that's that. I also have some turmeric, which I'm going to use because it's anti-inflammatory. So definitely going to be sprinkling this in. And then in terms of liquid, you can use water or you can use some chicken broth or chicken stock. And I'm using this low sodium chicken broth that I picked up from Trader Joe's. But again, you can use, some water if you'd like, or you could also use veggie broth. It's really up to you. So now that my cabbage is nice and almost to the point where you could just eat it like this, it's pretty soft. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to add my shredded chicken right into that mixture. And then once I add all of my shredded chicken, then all you've got to do is grab your veggie broth, your water, or your chicken broth or your chicken stock, and then you're just going to pour that right on top just like that, and then you're going to get a big spoon. You are going to mix that up and add your turmeric right on top of that for all of those inflammatory benefits, and then just mix that up and I will show you what happens next. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, so make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like it. Finally, you are just going to put your cover on and let that cook for 10 minutes. And look at this, guys, it's your final product. It smells heavenly and it tastes even better, and you will thank me because this will definitely help with healing your gut. All right, so how easy was that to make? Now that you've seen this recipe, I hope that you'll try it at home. Let me know in the comments down below if you are going to be making this recipe, and then come back after you've made it and let me know how delicious it is. If you enjoyed this video, I ask that you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome content just like this. But before you leave, I want to remind you, you're only one prayer away. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Take care.